This is a message to every Zimbabwean who is watching this. Our whole country is a mess. We have a government that doesn't care about us. And we're out here and we're fighting. But I have a question. How easy is it to be on the other side? I mean, I listen to what you say about Patson. I listen to what you say about Pastor E. I listen to what you say about me. Is that your contribution to what's happening here? I mean, geez. Do you know what we go through for you? You know, when we get out on the street and we fight, when Stan Zolwater goes out and he gets beaten up, who do you think is paying his medical bill? When Patson gets arrested, who's paying his jail money? I mean, you tell me. When Promise needs t-shirts for Tajamuka, who's funding that? We are dealing with an institution that is ruthless and hell-bent on killing us. And you want to joke? Do you know every time I travel, they say not in this country. If this was South Africa, we wouldn't let them get away with this. If this was Nigeria, we wouldn't let them get away with this. But we Zimbabweans, you know what we do? We tweet. And we troll. You think Pastor E leaving the country for the sake of his family was a letdown? Huh? Were you willing to help him? Did you help secure his house? You wait until Patson leaves. You wait until Promise leaves. You wait until I leave. You is the problem or you the solution. Sometimes just shut up. Don't say nothing, man. If you're not going to support the ground soldiers on the ground, sometimes don't say nothing. Do you know what we have to do to make you like us? To make you accept and understand that we have no choice but to fight? Because you won't? Because our parents won't? I have a son. He thinks I'm his hero. So I've got to fight for him. Do you know how many marriages are having to die, to break, because the man can't bring home the pampers? And you just want to quit. Unless we build a war chest, they will kill us. Unless we figure out how to pay our way through this, they are going to destroy us. One by one. And we will burn out. So I am begging you, not as a political leader, but as a citizen, I am begging you, if you care, man, if you care, then help. Just stop texting, stop trolling, help. Ask yourself the question, am I the problem or am I the solution? Help. Because we all we got. No one is coming to help us.